welcome to Nothing But the Science, the channel where we simplify and explain the latest peer-reviewed scientific articles, so you get all the science and none of the BS. So, without further ado, let's get straight to it. 2021 has been an exciting year for science. Although the world was ensconced in its fight against COVID-19, scientists from across numerous fields continued to persevere and make breakthroughs. With 2021 coming to a close, we bring to you the top 5 science stories of the past year. Number 5. The World Health Organization approves the world's first malaria vaccine. According to the Global Burden of Disease study, malaria kills over 600,000 people every year. This year, the world's arsenal against malaria just got a fancy new bazooka called the RTS-S vaccine from GlaxoSmithKline. RTS-S showed positive results in a pilot program in Ghana, Kenya, and Malawi. The vaccine cut malaria cases by 40% and reduced hospitalizations of the potentially deadly disease by nearly 1/3. Combined with bed nets, spraying for mosquitoes, and new drugs, the new vaccine could have a major impact in places where malaria remains a chronic problem. Number 4. Discovery of the Dragon Man. After a fossil was discovered at a construction site in China nearly 90 years ago, a family hid it until a farmer gave it to a university museum in 2018. Since then, scientists in China pored over the skull, analyzing its features, conducting uranium series dating, and using X-ray fluorescence to compare it to other fossils. Finally, it was declared a new species of archaic human called Homo longi, or the Dragon Man. The skull had a large cranium capable of holding a big brain, a thick brow, and almost square eye sockets. Features that were very different from other Homo species. Number 3. The James Webb Space Telescope. The most powerful space telescope ever constructed was launched on Christmas Day after 25 years since its inception. NASA, the Canadian Space Agency, and the European Space Agency started working on the craft in 1996. The craft has been delayed numerous times, and the final cost will be more than $9 billion. Many scientists say the telescope is worth the wait and the money, as it will be able to do things the Hubble Space Telescope just can't. It will help astronomers discover how early galaxies formed, detect possible signs of life on other planets, and watch the birth of stars. It will take the telescope about 6 months in space to prepare itself to work. Number 2. The largest vaccination campaign in human history. The biggest science story of 2020 was that scientists developed 2 mRNA COVID vaccines in record time. In 2021, the biggest COVID story is about the rollout of those vaccines. According to Our World in Data, as of today, 57.6% of the world's population has received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. Over 9 billion doses have been administered globally, and more than 32 million doses are now administered each day. On the downside, only 8.4% of the people in low and middle income countries have received at least one dose. Collectively, this has been a monumental achievement of science and gives us vital experience for effective strategies to tackle possible future threats. Number 1. Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission. DART is a spacecraft designed to impact an asteroid as a test of technology. While DART's target asteroid is not a threat to Earth, this asteroid system is a perfect testing ground to see if intentionally crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid is an effective way to change its course, should an Earth-threatening asteroid be discovered in the future. While no known asteroid larger than 140 meters in size has a significant chance to hit Earth for the next 100 years, only about 40% of those asteroids have been found as of October 2021. This story takes the number 1 position because, if successful, DART-like solutions could prevent future mass extinction events and protect us from planet killers. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 5 science stories of 2021. And if you like our content, hit the like button and press subscribe